Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deploy the Emergent AI website builder. First, open Google Chrome and tap Emergent AI and open the official website of Emergent AI. Next, click on Continue with Google and sign in using your Google account. Choose your account and complete the login process. Once you're logged in, scroll down and go to the Recent Tasks section. Click on your app to open it. Now, click on Wake Up Agent to activate your project so it becomes ready for deployment. After that, move to the top right corner and click on Deploy. Here, you will need to select a plan before deploying your app. The standard plan costs $20 per month, while the Pro plan costs $200 per month. Sometimes, there may be a special limited time offer where the price is just $1. You can also choose an annual billing option for both plans to lower the effective monthly cost. Once you select your preferred plan, continue with the deployment process and confirm any payment details if required. After completing these steps, your app or website will be deployed and ready to access online. You can then test your app, share it with others, or make further updates from your Emergent AI dashboard. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.